Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spirit Airlines weekly on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Spirit Airlines. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.